Hello, good day to me, Andy, and this is Qigong for Health. We're talking about parasites in the human body. I've sort of become very interested in this subject because of my own particular health conditions that I've sort of been trying to determine the cause of. And unfortunately, general practice, current medical doctors really are not in the know. And I've had many tests to try and find out what's wrong. Nothing's come up. Of course, I've done my own research on this. Yes, you can argue, I'm a self-professed Googler or, learning stuff off the internet, but that is probably the only way I'm going to determine how effectively I can treat myself. Over the last few months, I have been taking some medication that's been recommended by various professionals who are qualified in their field, and I suspect that the small amount of medication I have had has helped me quite a lot. What's becoming obvious is the parasites that we get in the human body. Not all of them are symbiotic. Obviously, some of the bugs we need, especially within the stomach area. We need that, and the colon. And some of these parasites, they are good for us. They are symbiotic, but other ones are not. And this video came about. I saw this, I thought, wow, that would explain a hell of a lot of stuff. In reference to MS, multiple sclerosis, which obviously standard doctors really don't know much about. The possibility that this is probably caused by parasites.
Multiple sclerosis is a disease that we claim we don't know. And being a spine surgeon, I was always involved in working people up. Is it MS? Is it cervical spine disorder? Is it whatever? And one of the hallmark really is, because there's no particular blood study or anything, but the hallmark really is an MRI that shows plaques in the central nervous system, plaques in the brain, plaques in the spinal cord. And these plaques, we call them plaques. They're just, the MRI just shows you different picture, like there's white or black spots on your nervous tissue that we call plaques. You ask a doctor what it is. Well, we don't know, but it's an MS plaque. Okay. Well, it turns out that a pathologist recently, and I have his paper and I should have looked up his name, but a pathologist not too long ago did 10 sequential autopsies of MS patients, and every one of them, 100%, had parasites in the brain or in the spinal cord. What we are seeing as plaques turns out probably to be parasite egg sacs, parasite infestation. And he said in some cases you could actually see small nematode wormholes. I mean, that it was overt.
So yeah, very interesting. Also, how many other illnesses and diseases that we have are actually caused by parasites? We don't know for sure, because for me, obviously, it's a very new subject. But yes, it is worth investigating. And of course, some of these parasites, they look really, really disgusting. And you can understand that they are in your body, inside your body, and they come in through various means. And once they're in there, they grow and they lay eggs. And the only way to get rid of them is to do a parasite purge. And there are various products. I'll show you one of them that I use, which has a substance called wormwood, which is recognised as being able to kill off parasites in the body. And it it does seem to be working quite well, although I need to take some more because I don't think that it's gone altogether. But yeah, so I do recommend investigation of this subject. It is a very interesting subject, and yeah, and the evidence is out there. Right, that's it from me. Have a very good day. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.